The best flying paper plane, Aero style. Fast, simple, and a true distance champion. This isn't just a paper toy. It's a high-speed flying machine that cuts through the air like a rocket. And the best part, it's super easy to make. In this video, we'll show you how to create a super fast paper aeroplane that flies far, fast, and straight. What you'll need: one sheet of paper, A4, scissors, a bit of focus and creativity. This plane is perfect for outdoor fun, friendly competitions, or just testing how far you can launch it. It's simple but seriously impressive. Follow our step-by-step tutorial and in just a few minutes, you'll have a powerful, sleek paper plane ready to soar. Enjoyed it? Hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how far your plane flew. Your support keeps us going.